If you use a Samsung, never take your phone to a repair shop if you have not turned this particular feature on your Samsung, especially when you have some private files or private images and videos that you don't want any other person to have access to. Make sure you turn this particular feature on before you take that your Samsung phone to a repair shop. Now, what this feature does is going to create a copy of your phone without any of your files, images or videos or any particular app that is signed in the previous one. All right, just going to create a copy of your phone without your files, okay, and videos and images and every other thing. So that when you take it to a repair shop, the person can be able to repair your phone, test it, navigate to any particular thing he or she wants to navigate in your phone, but without having access to your files, images, and videos. Okay? So how do you do this? What you need to do is come over to your phone and go to setting. Go to setting of your phone. Click setting and open setting. Now search for device care in your Samsung. This is device care. Click on device care, open device care. Now once you get here, scroll down until you see maintenance mode. Click on maintenance mode. It's going to tell you to turn on maintenance mode. But before we do that, let's go over to our gallery. If you go to your gallery, you see that I have some videos inside this gallery. There are no images inside this gallery. Okay, now let's go back there. If you come over here, it's going to tell you to turn on. Click on turn on, and it's going to tell you to restart your phone. Now I'm going to go on and restart this phone. Now here it's telling me to put my password. Okay, you guys can see at this particular point it's telling me to put my password before I can be able to restart my phone. So all I need to do is put the password and click on continue. Now once you put your password and click on continue, okay, the phone is now going to restart. And while this phone is not restarting, I'm going to show you guys. You guys can see if we still have that videos inside my gallery and every other thing that is in my phone. So I'm done restarting this phone. It's now in maintenance mode. The phone has come up. Now if you go over to my gallery here, you can see, go over to my gallery, there are no images inside my gallery. My phone is completely empty. You go over to my contacts, okay, let's go over to my contacts. The only number here is the SIM card right inside this phone. So if you go to gallery, there's no image, there's no contact, there's nothing inside this phone. Now, assuming they are done repairing your phone and you want to take your phone back to the normal default setting where you see your images, videos, and files, all you need to do is just come over to the phone and go to setting and still search for device care. Open device care. Now scroll down here. You will see maintenance mode. Click on maintenance mode. Now over here you can see exit. Now once you click on this exit, it's going to ask you to restart. Once you click on this restart, it's going to ask you to put the password of this phone. So once you put the password of this phone and click on continue, it's going to automatically restart this phone and take your phone to the normal default mode where you can see your images, videos, and files. Now make sure you follow for more tips like this.